To fix a Samsung dryer that's not drying, several possible reasons should be considered. Overloading the dryer is a common issue, as this makes it challenging for heat to reach each item efficiently. To resolve this, it's essential to fill the dryer only 3/4 full, allowing for efficient hot air circulation. If a large load of clothes is being dried, it's best to split it into multiple smaller loads, as these dry faster due to the quicker dry cycle. Another possible cause is a defective heating element, which can burn out gradually due to power surges or inadequate airflow within the coil. To address this, the dryer's user manual should be consulted to locate the heating element. Then the dryer should be powered down and disconnected. The element should be inspected for signs of damage and tested for continuity using a multimeter. If the test reveals no continuity, replacing the heating element may be necessary. By following these steps, it's possible to fix a Samsung dryer that's not drying, and proper maintenance can help prevent future issues.